And 6 suspects charged with the murder of teacher-cum-blogger Albert Ojwang have pleaded not guilty before Judge Diana Kavetsa of Kibera Law Court and have been remanded until Wednesday, July the 30th, 2025, awaiting bail ruling. In the meantime, the judge has ordered a pre-bail report to be prepared and the accused to undergo mental assessment. The accused are interdicted Central Police Station Officer Commanding Station Samson Talam, Police Constable James Mukwana, Peter Kimani, John Gitau, Jean Amitu Abwao, and Brian Mwaniki.
11 days after they were apprehended, 6 suspects implicated in the murder of Albert Ojwang were arraigned in court for plea taking.
Samson Kiprotich Talam, James Mugwana, Peter Kimani alias Kim.
The Office of the Director of Public Prosecution strongly opposed their release, citing that the court has jurisdiction to limit the right to freedom where compelling reasons are presented. Senior prosecuting counsels Duncan Ondimu and Juma Victor Witi stated the state has non-exhaustive list of compelling reasons with immense public interest topping up the list.
The public interest, if there lacks any other that we have established, the public interest in this matter alone is sufficient enough compelling reason to deny bail.
The 5th reason that I would wish this court to look at, which is related to the previous ground, is a preservation of the integrity of the investigation and the trial itself.
Lady Justice Diana Kavesa also added the first 4 accused persons, being police officers, pose a great risk in the prosecution of witness and evidence that has been lined up. The family lawyer Julius Juma urged the court to consider the gruesome manner in which Albert Ojwang was killed vis-a-vis the accused person's rights.
After the news of my client's death was announced, their humble family home has become a matter of public notoriety. Their home is now known by anybody who cares to know. The lady there, deceased parents that are seated next to you there, and the widow are now feeling justifiably scared.
However, the defense lawyers in the argument seeking their client's release on bail say the right to freedom as enshrined in the Constitution cannot be curtailed by the seriousness of the offense.
But because people are going there, you are being told, let this one now be denied bail. Where is the link to this? Because it's needed to show that the accused persons are part of the people who have gone there or sent people there so that the apprehension can be raised.
We know very well serious allegations have been put on the conduct of our client with people who have no first-hand knowledge, called the state and the victim's lawyer.
Judge Kavesa was also told that the prosecution has not adduced evidence that the accused have tried to interfere with the witnesses either directly or indirectly.
As per Article 24 of the Constitution, still exists less restrictive measures or other alternative measures to make sure that the target person does not act on that apprehension, rather the allegation of being a flight risk.
The identity of the vulnerable witnesses are shielded. My lady, at this stage, you cannot say that we know any witnesses. The second accused person does not know. We've not been served with any documents or list of witnesses. We do not know them. And therefore, the argument that is likely to interfere with any witness is far-fetched.
They also argue that the accused can be ordered to deposit their travel documents to deter the fear of a flight risk.
All the accused persons must be subjected to mental assessment, which is a good practice to establish whether they are fit to proceed with the hearing. That can only be done when the accused persons are detained or remanded in prison. 30th of July, produce the accused persons physically. That is how the criminal justice works, and I'm very, very sorry for the orders. I see you looking at me with fallen faces.
Ojwang died in police custody early on Sunday, June 8, 2025. After lengthy submissions on Tuesday from parties, the court is now left with the task of weighing the public interest in this matter versus the individual freedom while balancing the wheels of justice. Ruth Wamboi reporting from Kibera, Low Courts.